Welcome to my successful how-to videos. If you have the Shark Wandvac system, you need to do some maintenance on a regular basis. What you are going to discover is that the vacuum cleaner is full of small passages that you need to clean and clear on a regular basis. So the first one that you need to do is at the bottom where you have the automatic brush. You need to remove the lower portion of the case. So there are 3 screws that you need to unscrew, and it's very easy. It's written how to do it. And voila, what you are going to discover is that very quickly it's filled with dust. So this is step number 1, and you try to remove as much as you can. How do you know that you need to remove the dust? Here I have vacuum, and obviously the vacuum cleaner was completely unable to pick up the dust, because again the passages were filled with dust, so nothing is able to come up in the reservoir. Then there is a second dust hidden passage that I'm going to show you. So you open the back like that, up, you see, it tilted, and here, let me show you, up, excuse me, because I didn't film it. This guy here get full of dust. Now it's clean because I have removed all the dust, but for a long time it was full of dust here. And then only after cleaning those 2 passages you can remove the dirt which is in the reservoir that we have just opened, as well as the filter, and you can clean the orange paper filter as indicated. But if you don't do the 2 passages that I have shown to you, then it will not work. And I've seen many people throwing them away just because they didn't know that there were those 2 hidden passages to clean. This one is more intuitive, so you remove the brush by pushing here, and you make sure that there is nothing in the tube. So you look into the tube, and I don't have a flashlight, but it's fairly easy to see if it's obturated or not. And now you reassemble everything, and you are going to see that the vacuum cleaner is working, and it's day and night. So night when it's obturated, and otherwise it's a very efficient vacuum cleaner. But again, you need to clear all those passages from the dust. Before filming this video, I was absolutely unable to vacuum whatever, and you can see that now it's very clean. You see, up, all the dust is being collected. Before repairing, before removing the dust would stay on the ground. So that was the proof that it was needed. You need to empty the canister almost every time that you are using it. You see, and it jumps out. If you don't, again, it's going to stack here, and then it's going to be more difficult. So each time that you use it, you empty the canister. This is what I have collected in just a couple of minutes of vacuuming. If you have any question, please ask them through the comment section. And there is an affiliate link below the video in the description section in case you need to reorder another vacuum cleaner or any product for the maintenance. Thank you again for watching this video, and as you know, I have many more very successful how-to videos.